Solar panels are amazing. They capture the sun's energy and transform it into electricity, providing a renewable source of power. They're like giant sunflowers, soaking up sunshine all day long. As the sun moves across the sky, these panels adjust their position to maximize energy absorption. But instead of making seeds, they create electricity. This electricity can be used immediately or stored in batteries for later use, ensuring a constant supply of power. This clean energy powers our homes, schools, and even our cars. Imagine driving a car that's charged by the sun. It's not just a dream, it's happening now. It's a fantastic way to help the planet and fight climate change. By reducing our dependence on fossil fuels, we can lower greenhouse gas emissions and protect our environment. Solar panels allow us to harness the sun's energy, providing a sustainable and environmentally friendly alternative to fossil fuels. They can be installed on rooftops, in fields, and even integrated into building materials. By converting sunlight into electricity, solar panels reduce our reliance on traditional energy sources, decreasing carbon emissions and promoting a greener future. Families can enjoy outdoor activities knowing they're contributing to a healthier planet. Even though solar panels are tough, they face numerous challenges from the elements. These challenges can affect their efficiency and longevity. Think about it, they're outside all day, every day. Constant exposure to the environment means they have to withstand a lot. Rain can cause dirt and grime to build up, blocking sunlight. This layer of dirt reduces the amount of sunlight that reaches the cells, decreasing their efficiency. Bird droppings can also create a shady spot, reducing the panel's efficiency. These droppings are not only unsightly, but can also be corrosive over time. Over time, the sun's powerful rays can cause wear and tear, like fading paint on a house. This constant exposure can degrade the materials, leading to a decrease in performance. And in colder climates, frost and ice can cause damage too. The freezing and thawing cycles can create microcracks in the panels, which can expand and worsen over time, leading to potential failures. That's why we need to protect these valuable panels. Just like we wear sunscreen to protect our skin, solar panels need a shield too. Special coatings act as a barrier against the elements. Think of it like a raincoat for your solar panels, keeping them clean and dry. Some coatings even have self-cleaning properties, using rainwater to wash away dirt. This ensures the panels can soak up as much sunlight as possible. Section 4. The right coating, a wise investment. Choosing the right coating is important. It's like picking the best wellies for a muddy walk. Some coatings are better suited for specific climates or weather conditions. The right coating not only protects your panels from damage, but also helps them generate more electricity. This means you save more money on your energy bills in the long run. Section 5. Real-world protection, coating in action. Imagine a school with solar panels on its roof. Without coating, dirt and grime could reduce the amount of electricity generated. This might mean fewer resources for the school, but with a good coating, the panels stay clean and efficient, generating enough power to run computers, lights, and even the air conditioning. The school saves money and helps the environment at the same time. Section 6. Safeguarding the future, a call to action. Solar panels are crucial for a greener future. They harness the power of the sun, converting it into clean, renewable energy that can power our homes, businesses, and communities. They are a powerful tool in our fight against climate change, working alongside other renewable energy sources like wind and hydropower to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. By helping us reduce our dependence on fossil fuels, solar panels play a key role in decreasing air pollution and mitigating the effects of global warming. They enable us to create a more sustainable world where energy is abundant, clean, and accessible to all. By protecting these valuable panels with the right coating, we can enhance their efficiency and longevity. This ensures they continue to generate clean energy for years to come, providing a reliable source of power that can withstand the test of time. It's an investment in our planet, a commitment to preserving the environment for future generations, and a brighter future for everyone. By embracing solar energy, we are taking a significant step towards a cleaner, healthier world. Let's all do our part to keep our solar panels shining bright. Regular maintenance and care will ensure they operate at peak performance, maximizing their benefits for all.